I recently read an article explaining the best way to boost a company's profits is to become that company's chief profitability officer. In their research and consultations with leading companies in more than a dozen industries, they found that virtually every company is 30 to 40% unprofitable by any measure, and that 20 to 30% of the business is providing all the reported profits and subsidizing the losses. Why is this happening? Because in virtually all companies, no one is directly responsible for the matching of revenues and costs on an order, invoice, line item basis. Think about this. If you selected 6 of your accounts at random, then selected 6 products from each account, could you tell if those 36 account product situations were profitable on a net margin basis? I'll let you answer that question for yourself. Let's look at how we evaluate our part numbers on a customer invoice line item basis. First, we go to our master job history screen and we sort our screen by customer lot number, customer order number, sales order number, work order number, whatever reference you have to reference that line item invoice. In this example, we're just going to call it a customer lot number, and that's going to be column M. So we're going to grab our data, we're going to sort by column N. Then we're going to come over here and we're just going to enter the customer, whether it's a lot number, work order number, sales order number that we're looking at from the invoices that we've actually billed to the customer. We're going to determine how well we did in relation to our quotes or our routing. So let's just look at, say, sales order 111. Okay, they're all highlighted in yellow, and we can see right here that there were 3 processes involved in making that part number for that particular customer on that particular invoice, and these are the costs that were in excess of our quotes or ERP routing. Now we can go to the next invoice line item number. Let's say it's 112. Hit enter. This one only had 1 process, and we had $32.71, which turned out to be 0.45% more costs than we quoted or routed for that invoice line item number. Let's look at 113. Again, it had 1 process. We spent $1.83 more than we'd planned. Let's go with another line item number, 114. That's again $79 over and above what we planned. 115. That one had 2 processes to it. We broke even on 1 process and we lost $45 on the other process, which added up to be 0.75% of the total line item invoice amount. And 116, and that one as well had 2 processes. Then you can see how easy it is to just go, these are your percentages of your total invoice line item number, which you're looking at. You've already are in the process of billing your customer form. So you know exactly these are the processes. And then most importantly, what we're looking for here is the corrective action. And we see that our management team has put in no corrective action for this $630 in inefficiencies, defects, overproduction costs. So we would be looking for what happened, what are we doing to fix that to make sure that doesn't happen anymore. And you can just scroll back and you can see where were all your problems. They were right here. They were in overproduction labor and overproduction material costs right here. At Efficiency Solutions, we provide the modeling, metrics, and visualization necessary for small and medium-sized manufacturers to match revenues and costs on an order, invoice, line item basis, as well as track any production problems and corrective action with little effort, training, organizational change, or cost.